Hello friends, in this video we will try to know what is the merge and how we use merge in Pandas, right? So for merging of uh, two records, first of all we need to get two tables, right? So first we need to generate the two tables. Then once a two table will generated, after that we can try to merge it, right? So for that you can see I have a one structure of the data frame, that is ID and name, and another is the salary. In the salary you can say ID and salary, right? And in both ID is common, right? So what I will do, first of all I will try to show you that truth table, right? So print employee, print salary, right? We will discuss this later. You can see one is the employee, in employee's ID and their name, and in the salary there is the ID and the salary. And in both you can see these are the two tables. So if you want to merge these two tables, employee and salary, one column should be common in both tables. Then only we can merge, right? This is like a join in SQL. If you know SQL, then yes, it's very simple for you how we can merge. This is a simple join in SQL, but here we use the merge function by which we can join these two things. So for merging, what we have to do, we have to write only two lines. One is the merge. This is the add variable, and then pt for the panda keyword and dot merge, and name of first table, name of second table, and on which like join, as you know which column is common, then this is the ID, right? So ID. So let's ID, name and the salary, right? So this is the way we can use join, or we can use the merge keyword in the pandas library. I hope you understand, but still if you have any doubt, please message me, or comment me. I will try to resolve your query as soon as possible. And thank you for watching the video.